We're about to come back to the beach now. So as we're coming in towards shore, about 50, 100 metres offshore, we lift the motor up. Slowly, we're slowing down. We're lifting the motor up to about halfway to 3/4 on the trim gauge. And we're slowing right down as we're approaching the beach. And as we touch the beach, we accelerate a little bit to push the boat further up the beach. And once the boat's stable, leaving it in gear so the motor is holding the boat from moving in the current, we then get our first mate or ourselves hop off the boat and anchor it to stop the boat swaying with the tide. So as we've landed the boat now, we can see that the tide is coming from the right hand side of the boat, which will then force the boat around to the left. So we're going to use the right hand side rope to secure the boat with the anchor, which will detach from the boat with the snap clip, and then we put the snap clip through the snap clip, taking the anchor out on a 30 to 45 degree angle from the boat, and we push it into the sand. It is then safe for the operator of the vessel to turn the motor off, and you should be secure on the beach now. So we're going to pull up and have a fish. We're going to anchor out in the deep water. So you leaving the motor turned on, you bring the motor to neutral. You'll walk to the front of the vessel, you'll get your anchor. Make sure the rope is untangled. You'll throw the anchor over the front of the boat and let all the rope out. You can then go back, give it a little bit of reverse and back into neutral. That'll help the boat go backwards and secure the anchor into the bottom. You'll feel the boat stop when the anchor has hold of the boat. Once you can feel that the anchor has hold of the boat, it's safe to turn the engine off. Okay, we've finished fishing now. We're going to pull up anchor and move to the next spot. The captain will start the motor, move the boat into gear to take the pressure off the rope, and the person then can start retrieving the rope into the boat. The captain watching the anchor person, putting it into forward gear and to neutral as need be. The anchor person then dunks the anchor to get rid of any mud off it, secures it on the deck, steps back inside the vessel, closes the gate, and we're underway to go to the next spot.